Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be discussing about horizontal bar chart. So horizontal bar chart is nothing but a transposed column chart. So for this what I will do is I'll just drag and drop product subcategory to column and profit into rows, and I'll make it as enter view so that my right hand side space will occupy. And I'll just give my previous video link description also. Just go through that so that you can easily understand. Okay, and now see my left bottom side. It is 1 row and 17 columns. Okay, and see here I cannot able to read this one, appliances, and it is binders and binder accessories, and third one is your books, fourth one is chair. I am not able to read that, right? So here what I will do is I can do horizontal bar chart instead of vertical bar chart. So for this what we need to do, just swap the row to column and column to row. Just product subcategory to rows and profit into column. See, just one second, just do it. Yeah, so you can easily now able to read, right? It is appliances, binders and binder accessories, third one is bookcases, fourth one is chairs and chair mats. You can easily able to read it, right? So you can do one thing by just one click. See, just in one click you can just swap the rows to column or from columns to row. See, okay. And here you can just do one thing, just drag and drop profit into level so that you can easily understand. Levels are 7,028 profit, or office furnishing has 18,724 profit. You can do that, and you can also arrange in ascending or descending order. It looks good. And here you can just change the color. Okay, if you want to do, okay, I'll just do one thing here. Just do drag and drop profit into color, and here I'll just edit color to green. Okay, it looks good. Okay, and here also we can do one thing. We can just change the color, change the background color by doing, just click the format part and just do, click on this one, click on worksheet. I'll make it as black. Yeah, it looks good. Then go to this one, select this none, right? See this letter, I'm not able to read this one. Just go to sheet and make it as 10, white, bold. Yeah, it looks good. And give the name of the sheet. What is it? Horizontal bar chart, right? Just select it, bold it. If you want to change this one also you can change. Apply, change the color to white, apply. Okay, see, your horizontal bar chart is done now. It looks good, right? So yeah, like this you can do your horizontal bar chart. That's all for this video. I hope you understood. Thank you. And if you like my video, then do like, comment and subscribe to our channel.